So having a closer look, guys, here at the RGBlink Mini Pro, I can't help but mention the metal housing construction just looks and feels like it's well built. You can see here at the front of the unit, we also do have this T-bar slider that's going to allow us to control the video signal output. It's well positioned, nice there as well. I'm also happy with these nice little touch pads. They just feel nice and easy and simple to access the controls that we have here. You can see we have a shortcut key and we also have a menu key along with the 2-inch display screen. Okay guys, so as we turn the unit over here at the side, again, there's lots more to cover, but just briefly looking at the side of the unit, we do have the output for the audio and the input for the audio, 3.5mm jack. We also do have this Ethernet control port that's going to allow us to control this unit, this interface with the program by RGBlink. Again, the 2 USB ports, we got a 3.0 and a 2.0. As you see over here, we do have an HDMI out. That is going to be the output of my 4 HDMI ins. As you see over here on the right hand side, we do have the power option, which is a USB Type-C, along with the power on and off switch. Again guys, 4 HDMI ins. We do have this 1 HDMI out. So that is just a brief look at the unit right over there. There's lots to cover. There's lots of more information. So stick with me, guys. We're going to go ahead and look at the app next. So as you can see here, this is the Expose Mini app. This is designed specifically for this controller. So what I've done here, I just simply downloaded here on the App Store. I'm using the iPhone, iOS. And we're going to go ahead and just get more familiar with it right now. So this Expose Mini app is going to be a great addition because it's going to allow us to control the unit, control the device just the same way as we would with the controller ourselves, but now with our mobile phone. So once you've downloaded the app, you're going to want to connect to it via your IP address, and that's just going to allow you to simply now control the controller. You can see here the T-bar works simply by sliding it over, and that's going to control the same thing that it would on the unit itself. So over here on the menu option, if you see the button here on the right hand side, there is so much to look at and to cover. We have so many different things that we can control over here, such as the PIP, the picture-in-picture, the transition, the effect, the time. We even have green screen, all these different things, the input of the microphone, the audio, the video, the HDMI. We have different formats and frames per second that we can kind of pick through. So overall, guys, this menu option over here, as you can see, there's so many different features. The same thing that we have control on the actual unit ourselves, we do have control over here now, nice and wirelessly with this mobile phone app, which is just fantastic. Again, with the shortcut key, we can access some simple everyday things that we might want to program into the shortcut key. And overall, guys, I've been very impressed. I'm still getting used to it. I'm going to be sharing with you guys in more details in upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe if you guys have not subscribed already. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Until the next time, peace.